Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to create Polaroid style photos with Google Gemini. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Google Gemini on your phone. You need to go and open your Play Store, App Store, and make sure that you have the latest update. And once you have the latest update here, I'm going to click on the new chat. Then here, I'm going to click on the top middle side. Then I will choose the first option, then go and click on the plus sign, then go and click on gallery. And once you click on gallery, now you will have to choose any photo. So here I will choose this photo, for example. Then I'm going to click on add. Then I want you to copy the prompt that I will provide down below in the description. Here's the prompt. I'm going to paste it. Then I'm going to hit the send button. And here, as you can see, this is the old photo. This is the one without the effects. And now I will show you the one with the effects and how will it shows. And here you have it. Here's the photo with the effects. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.